This is Swamp Den. I gotta be quick now. My flashing battery. You know what? Yeah, they're here. I've come to give them another gigantic jar of peanut butter for solstice. Look at that. See the big tree they ditched in here? Right? It's fantastic. They busted up that one now and did the same to it that they did to the other one that was standing there. And then they've added this one. See the busted? That's a new addition. Actually, I think they've tipped that one over. Here, I'll just run until I run out of battery, I guess. Wow, they changed a lot. Tansy! Look at the ground, it's all beaten up here. Somebody been digging. Sha, look what you guys did. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, this is really cool. Look at that. See what they did here. Ah, that's wonderful. Look at all the leaners in this tree now. Look at water coming up. Water go up. And this, I didn't realize it, but this is another room. Right here. See, they've encased it in light branches. It's the one I thought they would build this blind up here. That's beautiful. Hey, Tansy. Gosh, you know what? That group we saw, they were children. Because I'm looking at the size of that